Hello, hello, follower and student and everybody. This is the day we have opportunity, we have exercise to that can we share science large program mazatrol course. This is material we can the length 280. This is diameter bigger diameter 55 millimeter. So if you work with CNC, we start. This is the point Z0 and H0. We start from this one, and this is chamfer. This is we can say this is TPO. This is chamfer. This is a line. This is chamfer. This is a line. This is line. This is radian at comma frame. This is the chamfer 0 frame. This is line. This is convince radian 20 frame. This is the TPO. This is the this is TPO. This is radian frame. This is TPO. This is chamfer the line. That materials is carbon steel. Diameter OD 50 frame. The long 280 millimeter. So if you work with CNC, you see this is the biggest. This is the bigger 50 foot 43, the 50, the 45, 50, 35, 30, 25 chamfer at. So this is we use den här svenska dubtocka eller tailstock. We use that stock is the center because the material is the long, so we use then protection vibration. So the answer of the material we have written. This is the surface. Then we take surface, the good surface, the surface. So then it long is Z. Then it H Z long 240, 210, 180, 150, 120, 80 and 50. So each chamfer 1 at 5. So you can see answer about this material. This answer that I mentioned. We use program mazatrol material carbon steel. Is only maximum 55. ID is 0. Length 280. RPM 2000 fins H. We use 002. So we use fins at 001. So work phase we so we use the program at we use the bar out mode, bar out parts. Start H. We start 55 H0 Z0 from H55 we rush sehr hastigheten sehr speeder 113 fin hastigheten fin speeder 150 rush or rush morning we can use 0.6 rush figuration speed rough figuration 0.35. So we use the tool 121 for rough for finite tool. The program is the one we start from TPO. TPO is the program pin electric. We say we start from chamber 1 H25 T2 H13 that I mentioned, from H25 to H diameter 13 chamber 1 this point they we call TPR, so we use this point. So that I mentioned NZ from 0 to Z 50 surface we use 4, so surface we use 4 from this one to this one, from Z0 to Z50. So this program mazatrol, you can understand about it. We start from program 2 is line chamber 1 H from 13 to H14 from 35 from Z50 to Z18. Surface we use for chamber we in no chamber no radian. So you can see this program from H13 to H35 from Z50 to Z50 to Z80. So chamber we use chamber in chamber. So we keep going. Program 3 we use the line is we start from chamber 1.5. We start H from 35 to H finish H50. Z80 to Z120. Finish mazatrol we radian 1.5 surface video 4. So we can see start from chamber 1.5 from mazatrol from Z 18 to Z 100. We so we keep study about Z80 to Z100. 80 plus 20 be answer 100. H 35 to H just like this 40. So the answer is 35 to 40, 80 to 120. So we line from 80 to 120. So it's a line. This is the radian 1.5. So H 40. So we keep study on the line 0.5 from H40 to H50, from Z120 to Z130, chamber 0 surface 4. So we keep study from this point Z to this point 120 plus T10 be 130. Set from diameter foot 8 foot 40 to 50. So we chamber 0.5. This is the end is no chamber. So we keep study about mere program. Is the convex and convex. We use this. So chamber 0 from H 50 to H 45, from Z 130 to Z 150, chamber radian 25, surface 4. So this is radian. We are under convex and convex. That lies there. This one radian 25 from H 50 50 to H 45 from Z 130 to Z this point 150. So we keep study converse a chamber from H 45 to H 50 from Z 150 to Z 180 chamber radian 35 and surface we use 4. So we keep study this point converse the radian 35 from this 845 to 8 diameter 50 from Z 150 to Z 180. So I think that do understand about this. So we keep study this program to 7 is TPO chamber from H 50 to H 43 Z 180 to Z 210 radian 5 and chamfer 4. So keep study there radian 5 surface 4 from Z diameter 50 to this is 53. So then from the top to the down, up and down TPO. We use Z 180 to Z 210. So the program like this. Can I repeat this one like this? So it's a TPO chamber H 43 to H 50 from Z 210 to 140 surface 4. So you can use. So from this point Z 210 to Z 240 from diameter 43 to 50. So you keep study about it. Then program 2 remote thread bar out chamber 1 lead 1.5 angle 0 multi at high right 0.974 number H speed 100 rush 0.24 revolution tool gear 0 tool 3. We keep study start from 840 to 840 from Z 80 to Z 100. So the program we start H40 like this 40 to Z40 8 for 8. So I mentioned 8 the same 40-40, Z from 80 to 100, Z from 80 to Z 100. This is the M40. This is M5. So straightly 1.5 shred a little shred 1.5. So we shred from this is start, this is start, this end. So we shred lead 1.5. Yes, that lead 1.5, that M40. That is material that we mentioned from this one is tool that we use. This is a good exercise. Then we use the tailstock. The center is because the long, but so we keep study. This is a program 3, the end mode. We use the counter 0, we use the fixed post 0 preset, we use the 0, and we use the continue 0, number 0, and set 0. So I think that is example, the best example mazatrol that we understand about the program that I mentioned. You can keep study about it. This is the best program that we use for science. That is the suitable for circumstance about your work, your work every time for factory, for company, so you can understand about I mentioned. You can have background for science. You can start from I mentioned. You can have idea concept from me. I think that you can have a little experience for your work every time. Thank you. Keep study, keep learning. Thank you for watching.